Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to change the keypad brightness on the MX Creative Console. So if you want to change the brightness of the keys right here on the keypad, what we're going to do is open up the Logi Options Plus app, and we're going to make sure that the devices have been added. And after that, we're going to press on the keypad, then select brightness, and here we're going to tap on this little circle with the brightness, screen brightness, and here we have the slider that allows us to adjust the brightness. As you can see right here, the brightness does indeed change, and just select the brightness that you want, and once you're done you can exit out because your options will be saved automatically. And that is pretty much it. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.